Hello, Tom Kaps from Flock Free Bird Control. Introducing a new product for you guys today. It's a residential tank mix kit. It's a simple product that you mix with water and you spray it on an area, any area where you want to keep birds away from. If they're on your deck, on your porch, behind the shutters, grass, bushes, trees. It's great for geese, pigeons, ducks, all kinds of birds. It's really effective. How it works is, take the concentrate out. It comes with 4 ounces to make 2 gallons. It contains essential oils. It's all natural. The birds breathe it in, and they have a trigeminal nerve in their beak, which causes irritation. So you're not really hurting them, you're just kind of teaching them. Now, the teaching aspect comes with some stickers that we enclose in the box. So birds are part of the food chain. So they're afraid of new things, novel things, unusually shiny things. So these stickers will represent that shiny, novel object. So if you have an area of your yard or house that you want to keep the birds away from, you want to teach them to stay away. So you put these stickers out and around the area, then you spray the concentrate around the area. And what will happen is as the birds come in, they may stay away from that novel object for a little bit. But then because your home is their home, they're going to get a little closer and try to get to where they want to go. And then they come in contact with the concentrate and it chases them away. You spray and they go away. It's literally that easy. So the main thing about this is that you want to spray it before nesting occurs. Once the nest is started, the mama papa bird are not going to want to go away. They'll do anything they'll go through flamethrower to get to that nest that they've established. So this is great for, before they build nests, preventative stuff. Birds hanging out in bushes, works great on geese, pigeons, ducks, spray it around your fish pond. It really works well. I always suggest that you test it before you spray it on wood shingles just to make sure it doesn't leave any kind of undue residue. I've never had a problem with that. But it dries clear, no odor to it, really easy to use, inexpensive, a great first step in bird control that anybody could do, whether you're a homeowner or a professional. Thank you.